¿Dónde va tan cómodo, bro?
No sé todavía, pero tengo prisa por llegar.
¡Ay, Dios! ¡Qué locura, va! ¡Cuídate, campeón!
Keep rolling, but we won't fall. Music in the thunder, hearts and calls. Rain beat heavy, still we play the song. Love like the ocean, keep pushing us on. Oh, we keep singing in the
Bitch, at our party, we not invite them. Puzzle up the card and the bike them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Planet TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Yo, Jamaica cannot manage this storm this after hurricane alone. We need America, we need China, and we need Canada, we need England. Jamaica not ready for this. The government kind of backward and fool, you know. A backwards them do things on Jamaica. We is a backward nation in enough senses. We even talk backwards. It's not a crime. But we not prepare, we not anticipate, and we not respond the right way to things. You get me? So America come help you. Cause you see the light infrastructure, the electrical and the internet, which is main key for people make money in the West. How we are gonna manage? We can't build that back. JPS can't manage this alone. You know? We need China to come help put back the electrical, and we need America to come help set up back with blood clot internet duns. England is saying, look at money where you pledge. I don't think we broke. Cause suck on the mama with that England. We don't want any money. We need help. Money can't help we don't have. We need physical blood clot help. But we not send 1.5 million pounds. You think we broke? Me alone we give the government that bomb buckler.
As you can see, we're on our way. We have a number of volunteers. Please look, we have reached our limit with clothing. We do not need any more clothing. Again, we do not need any more clothing. We need canned goods supplies. We need some camping power supplies, baby product supplies. We need toiletries, medical. We do not need any more clothing, guys.
Jamaican, I don't know, storm to St. Elizabeth, so. Westmoreland and the balance of places and mobile them. I don't know, storm. That is an explosion. Everything come out of the sea. Company land, brother. I never see this from me day, me born. When me a little boy, from little boy days, me a 50 year old now. From me a little boy days, and I see storm. We get a lot of rain days before it storm. When a man made storm, when I come chick Jamaican people, think everybody at Jamaica can chick and fool. Eh? So much sun and fish out of the sea, out of the ocean. So much, I say, eh? Yo, brother. You know, open your eyes and see what I want, brother. You open your eyes and see. You don't want St. Elizabeth to get to one next city and be taught to do some camera chick business to people them to control them place. Look what you do. Look what people no make dead. Like on
the low life gangster them down Westmoreland. On is a set of bitch crosses and destruction. Why Melissa never take on and pack on up in a barrel and go dash on out I see make some shark. Nyamono. Cause one of gangster and some bitch. One no go rob Bank of Jamaica, one no go rob Scotia, MCB. One go rob Andrew Lesson Post Soul, and that one no for do. Batty boy, one else have to chuck them and take away people and food. Eh? One of them mice they can come down them and just a drive with some set of food that can go down and just tap it and just boom up on the Post Soul, Batty boy. On the no memorials, on the no standard, on the no heart in on the system. Batty boy. Someone of it dead. But on a gunman, on a gun bag, gun clone, gun idiot, fool, clapping nerd, suck on a mother boy. You hear that?
Alright, my people, this is the place where it once called home. You understand? Devastated, torn down, demolished due to Hurricane Melissa. You understand? And we are actually homeless, a lot of us, not me alone. You understand? But the situation is, my people, I'm still grateful because I've learned lessons through this hurricane. A lot of lessons, you understand, that I'll actually keep for a lifetime. One of the lessons is that what doesn't cost life doesn't cost anything at all. You understand? We still have life and we're still there. the people. And our next lesson is that all the things that we've been fighting over and quarreling each over and killing each other for every single day, we can leave them. You understand? And this is a perfect example that they can also leave us at any time. So all them vanity we are fighting with people, it don't make no sense at all, they don't mean nothing. And no one is more than anyone at all. Because at the end of the day, we all come down to the same level, but many people fail to understand that. And the next lesson that I've learned is that Jamaican people will never unite. Not even a hurricane can actually unite us. It's actually opposite, because I've actually been a victim. I was actually at a center, emergency center, you understand? Where there were a lot of people are. And it's no good, my people. It's no good. So I decided that, you know, I'm just going to take it to the streets. I'm going to vacate the premises, like the clowns of the circus. Because in a room full of clowns, I can't be a part of the circus. Because when you entertain a clown, you actually a clown yourself. You understand? So the situation is, my people, when we should be united together, you understand, and helping each other. Everybody are fighting one of my people, them. You understand? Especially when you say free this agree. No, go on. Feel like you don't get things free, and nothing not free in this world. Nothing at all not free. Let me tell you that right now. It's me. If you don't pay for it, somebody else will pay for it. Remember that. If you don't pay for it with money, you're going to pay for it with your freedom or something. Not free, my broski. You understand? That is it, the people, them. You see me? So the situation is right now, this hurricane here is just a tip of the iceberg. You don't see hurricane yet. You have not seen hurricane as yet. The real hurricane is yet to come. Not physical hurricane, but the mental one. That's going to mess with the mentality, the emotions, everything. You understand? Because when this economy, I told you all before, you know, because this hurricane was not going to be a nice one. I told everybody what they didn't believe. I told them the economy was going to go weird and was going to crash. You understand? Is this new economy was going to be built up? Remember, I told my people, them. No freedom at all now. You are going to strictly dictation at its highest. You understand? So prepare for that now. This hurricane is nothing at all. Prepare for the dictation right now. What's to come? Much rules and regulations I have to work with. I will never want to work with rules and regulations. I don't know how we're going to survive people. I understand. You see me? But we are still here, my people. That's what doesn't cause light, doesn't cause anything.
Outside, you know, you don't know we are 1D9 out, you know, we are saying
1D9.
And we are saying, you know, it's time happening in Westmoreland, you know, you don't know about to Zulu, they on the ground and I do what I'm doing, D9.
Right now, yes, sir. Big up all the people in the Westmoreland. Big up everybody in Jamaica. They don't know say the storm there. Yeah. And we see that say love, you know, and protection, you know. And Mr. President, you know, I beg you to look down on that one, they're serious, you know. I done for the thing going on. One team, one dream.
You see what I say? You don't know they're outside in a Guyana, you don't know 1D9 out to the forefront, you see me? Without no apology and salute to Bantu Zulu, free in a dumb same way. Without no apology.
1D9.
Yeah.
Adapt yourself.
Alright. And you don't know the code set, you understand what I say? Yeah man, and you don't know my artists RD and them. Hope everybody in Westmoreland, alright, so far, a long life and prosperity without no apology. And then a guy and I market this, you see me? Without no apology, publicly speaking.
We need a house. We need a house.
Yeah, I'm right. You don't need a house, but you don't need no zinc house, because zinc house a waste of time in Jamaica. But the people them say the reason why them always go back to zinc house is because it's more affordable than concrete. But I'm not afraid to talk, so I talk to no big nose and journalists and to make concrete more affordable in Jamaica, because it's obvious that zinc and board house doesn't make sense in Jamaica.
Sure, you want to do trades with Jamaica and invest in infrastructure in Jamaica. You can't make a black man we have so many gold and all kind of resource invest in the country, but you can give corporations digital cities in the country.
Yes. Yes. This is, but the smart city them is a way to control the people.
Yes, I control.
It's a control thing that, you know, my brother. That's where we are, what people here so rebel against, you know. Smart, the city where we live in right now was going to become a smart city, and Cambridge And people rebel against that. Nobody no want that. The Western people them no want that. The people who live in these countries no want it. So you see it.
It's
The man will come against it.
It's day 7 after the disaster, and a lot of communities have not yet received any aid. There's no government officials that has deployed first responders to them. Nobody no go there at them did it. I try help them one another and I try. Right now, body start stink, disease start break out, people gone hungry, people start loot, all kind of stuff. I better the same first responders that couldn't, FYI, get to the communities are gonna be the same first responders to go there to analyze them.
Unalive them.
Now, how do you get to that community at that point for to take life? But no, you cannot go there
What give them
to
water?
get for food and medical supply go pitch tent like one they have in a Zozo point and get the people them to come get some supply, pitch some tent for some piece of spot where can house people where parents can have them youths in where they can cook, where they can at least get some sleep if rain fall, etc., etc. All these ideas you have to be following social medias, and we have to be commenting under your fuck repost them. Figure ideas of what to be done. You tell me, say, in a disaster, the military is doing drop off of food, and you don't even have stretcher. This lady is sick and need medical assistant. Is a garbage bag. You couldn't take her up, you know. And you are telling me we have a leader.
And some people that like you when you talk right now, you know.
But I just tell you the odds, you still look for them. Brethren, if the motive was to get rid of the people, why would they want to save the people?
Why would they help them? They wouldn't help them.
Come on, brother. You know more better than that. The aim is not
Black people and is better that place of land where they want clear.
Yeah, they want the land and to get, you know, here some people say, oh, leave Jamaica. Leave Jamaica. Leave go where? They want you out of that place because they have discovered things there where they want. America only go after resources, you know.
Right. When the Western world only go after resources, the European Union and America.
Jamaica need a government like the woman down at Barbados there.
I'm gonna say something to you guys. You guys need to look at this. You guys need to look at this. We have trained individuals for situations like these. Now, when situations like these occur and you have civilians that are doing what trained individuals that we are paying numerous salary, monthly, weekly, fortnightly to do. When you find TikTokers, artists, people like me and you are sending out more response on the ground than the government and who is put in place to make sure in situation like this, certain things do not happen. Now, when we have a situation like this, bad man, are we blind? 1 p.m., one bro God at the boss that
one Jamaica.
Him come use some big word. You don't understand one of the word when use. But you him tell us a free room and free food around there. So
and 32,000 in a minimum wage when them win.
Squeeze 5 grand gear on this. Yo, man, at the boss, that big up. Yo, I'm a general, I'm a daddy. Yo, people,
And
you
them
guys
dead
need to
first
wake
before
up.
them see that minimum wage there.
Hey, one time, you were taught that the best place to go for the crisis that will come upon planet Earth is in the country areas, but no longer because of this, so them a target first with fire and flood and hurricane and everything for get the people them out into one little small location where
cage them like the Palestinians.
Yeah, they can manage them right there. So
Well, listen, Neil. You myself knows a Philoskel, and I represent what? Club of them TV. They here,
People.
Pull up after you and I first na relax. Hold your jacket.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care what it coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go sharp and ground. The war start and I